Hi, I'm Mark Emily on behalf of ExpertVillage. In this next segment, we're going to start getting our water up to a boil, adding our extract, and then getting our boil rolling. As we're getting in close to our boil, say around 190 to 200 degrees, we're actually going to turn off the heat now, and we're going to add some of our malt extract. First, we're going to take our kettle off the main heat. Then we're going to take the malt extract, which has been soaking in hot water, and start mixing it in very nice and slowly, trying to make sure that it all gets blended in. Now, a tip that you may not get from a lot of other brewing starters is that you don't actually want to add all of the malt extract right now. Instead, we're going to add roughly half to 2/3 of the extract. What this will prevent is some of the caramely flavors which are associated with extract brewing. The rest of the extract we're going to add with about 15 to 20 minutes left. During this process, you want to continually stir to make sure everything is all mixed together and that none of it is going to be left on the bottom in order to scorch. Now that you've got 2/3 or half of the extract put in, just continually stir it, turn on your heat, and start working on getting up to a boil. In particular, if you're going to be using dry malt extract, you never want to add that while it's boiling. You want to add that beforehand or else it'll clump heavily and it'll be very hard to break into solution. As you can see, we're getting nice and close to the boil, and you can actually see some of the first bubbles starting to come up. At this point, it's going to be very important to start controlling your temperature. You don't want to boil over. At this point, you're going to start to want to closely regulate your temperature and turn down your heat. I'm going to show the camera. Now we're getting in a nice boil here, and we want to turn down our heat so that we don't reach any high levels. It's going to foam up, but with a little temperature management you should be okay.